Hey guys, quick flea market finds. Check it out. True temper Tommy axe on original handle. Not in the best shape, but it is original. A plumb splitting wedge. That's cool. A little set of leather hole punches in a case. A one-man crosscut saw, which feels sharp, but the handle is garbage. But that's okay, I have some over there, I'll just swap them around. I think I can cut with this. Last but not least, the gem of the day. Another Norton IM313 cast iron 3-stone sharpening system. I love this thing.